if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Hello YouTube, my name is Annette, aka Crushing Smile, aka Southern Firecracker, only if you make me. So today is my daughter's birthday, and the one thing that she wanted for her birthday was brownies. So I'm gonna make brownies from scratch, and then I'll clean this mess up afterwards. And then, like I said, I'm not gonna have you guys watch me do the cookies. You don't need to watch that. But I just wanted to show you guys this stuff because I thought that this was a little bit more important. Alright, I'm just trying to get better lighting for here. It looks really dark. Okay, so in this bowl I have my brown sugar and my white sugar. And then I'm going to rinse my The cookie mix is kind of the same, but here's what I love to do. It's one of my favorite things, and I think that you guys will thank me later. Whenever I make cookies, I always put like a little shot of espresso in there, or coffee, strong coffee. And then, but that's not really the special part of it. The special part is I like to put a little bit of molasses in my cookies. It gives it a different flavor and it makes it really good. So in this bowl, I'm going to put my vanilla extract, my coffee. I'm going to mix it a little. And then I'm going to put my eggs in here. I have 3 eggs. I am not, which usually you would, I'm not going to do the butter here because I like to do, or what I want to do, because I'm saying that as if I've made brownies before. This is actually my first time, so if I have not said that, let me say that this is my first time making brownies. So I'm gonna do 3 eggs in here. I'm gonna mix them in one by one to make sure it gets incorporated. I'm a little risque. You're supposed to do the eggs in a separate bowl just in case, so you don't get any shells in here. Usually you would put a little bit of salt in here, but I'm using salted butter, so we won't be doing that. I did not, and I know that there is you can do this, but I did not use, or I am not, I should say, I am not going to use melted chocolate. Instead, I'm going to do what is called the bloom with the butter and the cocoa powder, the Dutch cocoa powder, which is what I have. Love that stuff. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to melt my butter. So 2 sticks of butter in here, break that in half so you can get in there. I'm going to, you can do the double broiler method over the stove if you want. I don't want to. We're going to pop this in the microwave. So blooming, in case you guys don't know, it's basically, it's when the butter is really hot, you mix in the butter, mix the cocoa powder and the butter together, let it kind of infuse in the butter, and then it'll make it kind of a fudgy. I don't want to mess with this too much. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. I want it to cool down more, but I don't want it to be cold. And then once it's cooled down, I'm going to go ahead and mix this in here. And then, I guess while we wait, I'm just going to clean up. And then I guess I'll come back to you guys, because I still need to put my flour in the mix, and I haven't done that yet, and I don't want to do that until I get the cocoa mixed in. So I'll come back. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. If it weren't for the fact that it's got eggs in here, I would definitely taste this, and I don't even like chocolate like that. Alright, so I'm going to put that there for now, and then I'm going to grab a spatula. And then I'm going to go ahead and supposed to really fold it in, not stirring it, but fold it. Because at this point, the more you do to it, the drier it becomes. So I couldn't find my sifter, so it ended up being this way. But it's always a good idea to sift the flour so that you get lumps out, so that it's a smooth batter. just grab your parchment paper and put it down. Now the suggested time for these brownies is 30 minutes, but I'm going to undercook it because I like my brownies like more gooey than anything. So I am going to undercook it. So I'm going to do probably about 20 to 22 minutes on my brownies instead of 30. But to each their own. You cook your brownies how you like your brownies. Now that that's done, the trick to this, I'm going to cook it 350 for 30 minutes. I'm going to do 350 for 22. And I'm not even sure that it's getting a good view on them. It seems a little dark, but I don't even know how else to put this in words outside of the fact that it is absolutely delicious. So I wolfed it down. See, I kick it. And I don't like chocolate like that, which is more surprising. And usually with brownies, I'm not big on it. I might have a piece here, a piece there, but I'm about ready to eat this whole pan. That's it. But I just want to come show you guys the brownies done. And I already cut them because, like I said, we're not going to do the peanut butter. It's too much. And she'll understand when she has a bite. Oh my god. So good. Okay. I'm done. I gotta stop touching it. And then it's still warm, so when she gets up she can have it. But yes, that's it. That's it. I made brownies from scratch. The box stuff over here. So good.